Are you wondering when to replace your nonstick pans? It's a common question for cooks everywhere. Over time, nonstick pans lose their effectiveness. Here's how to know when it's time for a replacement. In the culinary landscape of 2026, nonstick pans have a limited lifespan. The key sign to replace them is when the kinetic release of proteins starts failing, leading to sticking. There are 5 major indicators your nonstick pan may need replacement. 1. Consistent sticking indicates a loss of release. 2. Wobbling means the pan is warped and not transferring heat correctly. 3. Peeling or flaking shows delamination and total failure. 4. Dark stains that won't come off suggest deep discoloration. 5. Cooking at higher heat suggests compensatory overheating due to degradation. Safety matters too. While modern nonstick coatings are mostly non-toxic, a damaged pan can release harmful gases when overheated. It's safest to replace any flaking or scratched pan. When choosing a new pan, consider durability versus cost. Budget options last about 1 to 3 years, while premium ones can last over 5 years. Look beyond the sticker price. Calculate the cost per year to find the best deal. In 2026, ceramic pans like green pan lose their slickness faster than traditional options. They become tacky, even if they look fine. Lastly, consider a rotation strategy. Use stainless steel for most cooking, cast iron for high heat, and nonstick just for delicate items. In summary, replace nonstick pans every 2 to 3 years. Look for signs of failure to ensure culinary success in your kitchen. Ready to upgrade? Check out the best nonstick options online today.